channel. I hope you all are doing great. As you all know, I'm someone who believes in skincare. I feel कि जैसे हमारी बॉडी को अच्छा खाना चाहिए होता है ना, वैसे हमारी स्किन को भी अच्छा खाना चाहिए होता है, so that it glows, ताकि हमारी जितनी भी स्किन कंसर्न्स है उसको हेल्प कर सके. And I also know finding the right product for yourself is so difficult. Like you have to keep doing the trial error method. तो आपको लगता है कि अच्छा ये सूट हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ. But what if I tell you guys today that now you can get the right product according to your skin concern, and that too recommended by the right person. Interesting, no? So if you want to know more, all you have to do is keep watching this video. As you know, I really like products from Shell's Cosmeceuticals. They are so amazing, and every time I would just go to the salon and get them. But these days, because of my busy schedule, I was not able to go and get my favorite products. What happened the other day, no? My salon sent me this link and they told me now I can just shop online. I can just click on the link and get my products. What happened was, when I clicked on the link, I got to know that we can do a virtual consultation with the skin expert, and that person is going to suggest me products according to my skin type, my skin concern, and I got super excited and I was like, I have to do this because getting the right product is so difficult. And I was like, ठीक है, कोई मेरी skin देखकर that too virtually is going to tell me the right products. और क्या चाहिए? I booked an appointment and then we did the virtual consultation. It was so nice. The lady was so kind enough. She told me everything I need for my skin. She even told me how to use them. And the best part was कि एक प्रोडक्ट का ना उन्होंने मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया था कि आप ये प्रोडक्ट इस चीज़ के लिए यूज़ करें, आप ये प्रोडक्ट इसके लिए करें, सो दैट व्हेन आई बी यूजिंग इट आई विल नो व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. बिकॉज समटाइम्स हमको सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट्स हम ले लेते हैं पर हमको पता नहीं होता कि हम यूज़ किस लिए कर रहे हैं. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट एंड शी वॉज रियली नाइस. So, once I spoke to her, she told me what products will work for me, and then my major concern was, when will I get these products? Like, COVID situation में ना इतनी कभी-कभी deliveries get so late. So you need to speak to an expert. She'll suggest you few products, and then you have to place the order right there on their website, and they'll be at your home in just 2 days. Like literally in 2 days. You don't have to go to a salon, nothing. And I personally feel that we need to have a proper guidance to know which product is going to work for us. Take the free skin consultation because it is very important. You'll just know what is going to work for you because it's a skin expert who is telling you that, and I'm going to give you a link in the description box so that you can just click and book the appointment right away. Now I'm going to take you through my journey, what product she suggested me, and what were my skin concerns. So if you want to know, keep on watching. Okay, so my major 3 skin concerns were adult acne, acne marks and fine lines, and she added that my skin was very dehydrated. Like, मुझे नहीं पता था, but of course she's a skin expert, she knows it better, and she's like, I'm going to help you with that too. And she suggested me these 4 amazing products: face wash, there was a moisturizer, SPF, and a radiance lotion. I'm going to take you through each product and how I use it and how they work for me, because now I've been using them for past 2 weeks and I'm absolutely loving them. I've seen change on my skin and I absolutely love it. So number 1 is the Elzima face wash. This one is the best one if you have acne prone skin. It deeply cleans germs from deep within your pores and keeps your skin fresh looking 24/7. Also, this removes makeup. I have personally tried that and this really works. Controls sebum production, aids your acne treatment, and also remove blackheads, and just perfect for everyday use. So next one is the Hydra Moist Moisturizer. Even though I have oily combination skin, she recommended me this product. This is the benefit of having a skin expert. क्योंकि अगर मैं उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाती, I would definitely feel कि अरे ये तो dry skin के लिए product and not for me, and I would have missed out the right product. Because my skin is dehydrated, this protects natural oil moisture balance and promotes healthy radiant skin. Repairs the skin from within and gives me 6-hour intense moisture lock. And this can be used both at day and night. Next up is the Derma Shade SPF 30 spray. I have already finished 2 bottles of this last year and I know how amazing it is. The first thing, it is super easy to use, super light, also shine free, protects your skin for 7 to 12 hours, and I know all this information because I remember her telling me, and she also told me that sunscreen is must. Next up is the product I am very excited about. It's the O2C2 Radiance Lotion. This is going to help me to bring out the natural radiance and shine of my skin, even out the skin tone, and keep the skin all moisturized, and helps in giving smoother skin with fewer fine lines and wrinkles, which was my major concern. This was recommended to me as a night cream. I loved the whole process and I'm so happy with my products. So this was the whole process, and this is my new skincare routine which I'm absolutely loving, and it is working really well for me. I personally feel that you need to speak to a skin expert for the right products. Also guys, I'm gonna give you the link in the description box below because all this was so helpful for me. I had to share with you, and if it is helpful for you, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below if you took the appointment or not and how did it go, because it's free of cost, lay low, and you'll get the right products, and according to your skin type, your skin concerns, and these products really work, and you don't have to go to your salon also. They're coming home so quickly from your nearby salon. And what else do you need? I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.